Who's up?
I am.
Okay, bring it. We've had one class today and it went incredibly well.
Are you all still in town?
All the students logged in and they were all able to participate, and the students who had to give their presentation today had no problem giving their presentation. We are no longer to have classes in person because of concern about the spread of the coronavirus here on campus. And so the decision was made on Friday that starting today, all classes would be taught remotely. There's a lot of upfront planning that's necessary, but the previous class, it pretty much ran exactly the way it would if everybody was in the room.
Most of them I'm having as 2x2 together.
It's not the same as being there in person, but the idea that we can use this kind of technology more so that we have to travel less and reduce our carbon footprint, that's a good thing. And a potential silver lining is that it's going to encourage us to consider that more than we have in the past.